take you on a journey on plane shapes. We'll be looking for areas or calculating areas of plane shapes. Example of plane shapes are your square, your rectangle, your circle, your trapezium, and what have you. And also, we'll be trying to treat areas of irregular shapes. But for this series, we would like to treat areas of regular shapes, specifically your square, your rectangle, and circle. So if you're ready, I'm ready, so let's start and see what we have for today, okay? Now, areas of plane shapes. Let's try out square. Area of square. Now, what is a square? If you can remember vividly, a square is simply a shape with 4 sides, and all the 4 sides are equal. Okay? Now, let's see if we can draw a square perfectly. Okay? Assuming this is a square and this place is L, it means here will be L, here will be L, here will be L. Reason being that it has 4 perfect equal sides. Okay, each of the sides of a square are equal. Yeah, so if here is the length, here is the length, and all other parts of this also are the lengths to the square. That means they are all equal. Okay, now let's try and see the area of the square. If a square has all 4 sides to be equal, the area of a square is going to be the length multiplied by the length. Since our length is L, it's going to be L multiplied by L to give us L squared. Are we together? So the area of a square is what? Length times length. Let's try some mathematical examples to see what we get, okay? So it won't be all alphabetic and all that. So the area of a square is length times length, okay? Which will be L squared. Now let's try this out. Example. Calculate the area of the square below. Calculate the area of the square below. If this is our square, and here is 4 centimeter. If here is 4 centimeter and this is a square, it means here also will be 4 centimeter, here also will be 4 centimeter, and here will be 4 centimeter. Reason being that the square has all its 4 sides to be what? Equal. Okay? So if it is a square, calculate the area of this square with length 4 centimeter. I told us our area is equal to length times length. Okay? Our area is length times the length. And if our length is 4 centimeter, it means it's going to be 4 centimeter multiplied by 4 centimeter. 4 times 4 is what? 16 centimeter square. Centimeter times centimeter will give us what? Centimeter square. So our area for this square is what? 16 centimeter square. Let's try one other example and see how we go. If this is our square with side 6 centimeter, it means this side is also 6 centimeter, and this side is 6 centimeter, and this side is 6 centimeter. So to calculate the area of this square, it's simply what? Simply length times length, which is equal to 6 centimeter multiplied by 6 centimeter, which is equal to what? 36 centimeter square. 6 times 6 is 36. Centimeter times centimeter is what? Centimeter square. Very simple. Okay, now supposing I gave you the area of the square and I ask you to look for the length. What are you going to do, or how will you go around that? Now, assuming area of the square, is what? Is 49 centimeters square. Find the length. Find the length. If the area of the square is 49 centimeters, find the length. Now, solution. This is our area. This is our square rather. This is our square. We don't know the length, but the area is what? The area is 49 centimeters. What's the formula for our area? Our area is L times L. Now we're given area to be 49, so our area here will be 49 centimeters square. Okay? Which is equal to L times L. So our 49 centimeters square is equal to L square. Okay? Our 49 centimeters square is equal to L square. Now to get L, we look for the square root of both sides. So look for square root of both sides. Look for the square root of both sides. Okay? So we have 49 centimeters square is equal to L square. Now let's try it out there. Let's try it out there. 49 centimeters square is equal to L square. And our steps say we should look for the square root of both sides. So it's going to be square root of 49 centimeters square equal to square root of L square. This square cancels the square root side. This square cancels the square root side. Square root of 49 is what? 7. So 7 centimeters is equal to L. L is equal to 7 centimeters. Therefore, the length of the square is equal to what? 7 centimeters. Very simple. So assuming we're given the area of the square to be 49 and we're asked to calculate the length, we already know the formula for area is length times length, which is what? This length multiplied by this length, yeah? And we're given the area to be 49 centimeters. So we change this area to 49 centimeters that we've been given, then this length times length. So 49 centimeters square is equal to length times length. So 49 centimeters square is equal to length square. So let's look for the square root of both sides. So we get L. We keep for the square root of both sides. Square root of 49 is 7. Square root of centimeter square is centimeter. And square root of L square is L. So our L is equal to 7 centimeters. So the length of that is 7 centimeters. Now let's try to look for the area of a rectangle. The area of a rectangle. It's quite similar to area of a square, just that a rectangle has two opposite sides to be equal, while a square has all four sides to be equal. A rectangle is also a four-sided shape with two opposite sides to be equal. A rectangle is also a four-sided shape with two opposite sides to be equal. Now let's try that out and see what we get. Area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle. So I'd implore you to join us for our next series as we treat area of a rectangle. If you have any questions with area of a square, you should do well to send them.